We just got up. I'm a hot mess. We're going into Lowe's to pick up some wood for the entryway. I need to put some makeup on and do something with this hair. Okay, so apparently I was recording in slow-mo and it looks terrible. So I just wanted to show you guys that we found this beadboard at Lowe's. It was in the clearance section and we actually got it for $18. And I just felt like this would be the prettiest backsplash. We weren't going to do anything to the kitchen for a long time, but I saw this and I just could not resist. I've seen some really cute pictures of beadboard in the kitchen and I just thought it would be so pretty. Like, how cute is that? I'm just obsessed. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go a little bit past this, just like by a centimeter.
Let me show you straight.
15.
15 by 15.
Okay, so I saw a little trick on TikTok that you put toothpaste on the light socket and then it'll tell you where you need to cut for the light socket.
Two hours later.
I just want to show everyone the dust particles that we have from the jigsaw. I don't know if it's even registering on the camera, but whew, that's a mess. We took a little McDonald's break. I got a Shamrock McFlurry. That's sexy. Shamrock McFlurry and Sprite. We got burgers. It was lovely. Now we have to put the kitchen together. Oh, so crispy.
You can hold that if you want. It might stay.
We got like 5 of them. You're gonna have to get up here. My hair's falling down. Okay, we did this side of the room. Let's go over to by the sink. Don't like the wind. One down.
coffee bar's done.
Good morning. It is a few days later. It was quite the task to get these in here, to cut around all of these outlets. There's a lot of outlets in this kitchen and a lot of like nooks and crannies to cut around. But alas, we did it. We've got them all put up on the wall, liquid nails and actual nails into the wall. So today my task is going to be to caulk and do a bunch of wood filler, and probably tomorrow I will end up doing the painting.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now,
Look how crispy that line is. Oh, she's pretty.
I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah. Now, when you're gone, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway.
Good morning. It is the next day. I have let all of the caulking and wood filler dry overnight on the backsplash. So let's get to painting.
Tales of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, when you're gone, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah. Now, when you're gone, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait.
The next day.
Okay, let's go shopping for some decor. Right now I'm not going to be decorating quite yet because the kitchen's not done yet. I have a few more things that I want to do to the kitchen, but that will have to be in the next video. But for now, I'm going to go look at some thrift stores, some stores, to see if I can find some stuff on a good discount to decorate my new kitchen. I have some things in mind. I definitely want a fruit painting or like a floral painting with like a gold frame and a wooden tray to put in the kitchen. And then we'll see what else we come up with. Okay, let's go.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Whew, that was a lot. I had a lot of fun doing this part of the kitchen makeover. We put up the backsplash, we did the caulking, we painted it. All I have to do now is do a polyurethane coating on the top to make it easier for me to clean. I'm not going to show you guys that because it's going to be a long process and it's going to be kind of boring. So there will be a part 2, maybe a part 3 to this kitchen makeover. I have something super exciting coming for the next video, so stay tuned. If you are interested in seeing what's going to happen, click the subscribe button below and like this video. Also comment below if you guys like the backsplash that I did and if you like this video. I always love hearing your guys' comments and interacting with you guys. I love you so much. I'm super excited to get this kitchen to be the kitchen that I have always dreamed of. This house is probably going to be our forever home for now anyways. So I want to make it look beautiful and feel at home here and just enjoy my space more. So we're doing that a little bit at a time on a budget. It's coming along. I'm loving it so far. In the next video, I will also do a haul of what I got from the thrift store and shopping today. It was so much fun. I showed you guys a lot of it, so it won't be much of a surprise, but it's going to be so much fun to do the finishing touches on this makeover. I love you so much, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, guys.
Clouds and thunder